All right, let's get right into it. We're going to talk about the absolute must-have AI skills you'll need to get a remote job by 2026. And I'll give you a hint. The skills that really matter, they're probably not what you're thinking. So, let's dive in.
So let me ask you something straight up. Think about your current skill set. Right now, are you truly ready for what the remote job market is going to look like in 2026? It's a serious question and one we really need to tackle.
Because here's the deal. The reality of the situation is this. AI skills are no longer a bonus on your resume. They're quickly becoming non-negotiable. Seriously, employers are already hunting for people who can handle their work on their own super efficiently. And you know what? AI is the main tool making that happen.
Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting. When someone says AI skills, your brain probably jumps straight to coding, right? To complex machine learning stuff? Well, what if I told you that the most valuable AI skills for the vast majority of remote jobs have absolutely nothing to do with coding?
And that right there brings us to the biggest myth out there about AI at work. The goal isn't to turn you into a programmer. Not at all. It's about making you a smarter, faster, more efficient professional with the tools that are already available to you.
Just take a look at this. It really shows you the massive shift in what employers actually want. They're not putting out job ads for people who can build AI from scratch. No way! They're looking for people who know how to use these tools to get work done smarter and faster. We're talking about practical, real-world application, not getting lost in the technical weeds.
So, what does this lead to? Well, it's created a whole new type of superstar employee, the AI-powered generalist. Think of this person as a kind of Swiss Army knife for the modern office. They can handle writing, they can do research, they can manage admin stuff, all while using AI to be amazing at each one. Believe me, these are the people that remote companies are tripping over themselves to hire right now.
Okay, so let's get tactical. What specific skills do you need to focus on? Let's put together your essential AI toolkit. These are the top 10 things that will make you the candidate everyone wants to interview.
All right, number one. This is the big one, the foundation for everything else.
It's all about AI prompting and writing clear instructions. Look, it's pretty simple. It's how you talk to an AI. You've heard the saying, garbage in, garbage out, right? It's never been more true. Asking an AI to write about marketing is useless, but asking it to draft 3 punchy email subject lines for a new software launch aimed at marketing managers, that gets you results. This skill, right here, is the key to unlocking everything else.
Okay, coming in at number 2. This is all about working smarter, not harder.
We're talking about mastering AI tools for productivity and automation. For anyone working remotely, this is an absolute game changer. Just think about it for a second. Imagine all that boring admin work just happening on its own. Emails drafted in a snap, your entire schedule managed for you. Getting good at these tools will literally save you hours every week and make you look like the most reliable person on the team.
And number 3, this skill's about cutting through the noise and finding what actually matters.
Yep, AI research and information analysis. Being able to take a huge 50-page report and have an AI spit out the 5 most important takeaways in seconds? That's a superpower. Or analyzing market trends on the fly? Incredible. It's not just about finding info anymore. It's about using AI to help you understand it, check it, and then make smart decisions based on it, way faster than anyone else.
Okay, so let's round out the rest of this toolkit. You've got skills like using AI to whip up first drafts of content. Then there's data literacy, being able to understand the insights AI gives you. Super important is knowing the basics of AI ethics. You gotta use these tools responsibly. And then we have things like using AI to help manage projects, getting comfortable with no-code tools so you can build your own simple workflows. And maybe the most crucial one of all, just always being willing to learn. Because these tools are gonna change, and you've gotta be ready to change with them.
I know. That might sound a little overwhelming, but here's the best part. You can start learning all of this today, like right now, for free, and you don't need any special experience to do it. Let me show you how. Just look at this list. Every single one of these skills is something an employer would love to see. And notice the theme: zero coding required. Writing better prompts, getting AI to clean up your emails, setting up automatic reminders. These are simple, practical things you can start doing this afternoon that will have a real impact.
So, what's the secret? You just have to start doing. Seriously, the only way to get good at this is to practice. So try some of these super simple exercises. Open up an AI assistant and have it help you write an email. Find a long, boring article and ask it to give you the summary. It's these little experiments that build your confidence and make the skills stick.
Okay, so you've started practicing, you're getting the hang of it. Now, how do you actually show this off to land a job? Because it's all about how you frame it.
And this is the big question, right? Probably the one you've been wondering about. It's great to have these skills, but how in the world do you put them on a resume so a hiring manager actually notices? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. Don't overthink it. You just need to be clear and direct. Pop a few bullet points in your skills section. Something like proficient with AI tools for writing and research, or skilled in prompt engineering for effective communication. That one line immediately tells an employer you get it, you're modern, and you're efficient.
All right, so what kind of jobs are we even talking about here? What doors does this actually open? You're probably going to be surprised just how many options this puts on the table.
I mean, look at this list. These skills are perfect for a ton of remote jobs. A virtual assistant who can automate scheduling, a content creator who can generate ideas in an instant, a customer support rep who can draft perfect replies. In every single one of these roles, knowing how to use AI makes you a way stronger candidate. It's that simple. You'll be faster and more effective than anyone who doesn't have these skills.
So when you boil it all down, it really comes to this. The future of remote work isn't going to be run by the super technical AI coders. It's going to be run by adaptable people like you who figure out how to weave these practical AI skills into their everyday jobs. That's the winning combo: practical skills and the curiosity to keep learning.
So the biggest takeaway here is this: you don't need to become an expert tomorrow. You just need to start. That's it. So think about it. What's going to be your first step? Are you going to try summarizing an article, or maybe drafting an email with an AI assistant? What's the one small thing you can do today to get started?